So I saw this video of this lady, this young girl who is actually trading binary option, and it it amazes me. It just really amazes me what I see, and I'm just kind of pulling it up now as I am speaking to you. There are actually two traders that I look at on a consistent basis who are actually
Paying too much for
I'm
business
just interested in
insurance?
just
Next,
seeing
lets
if
you
I can just
customize your
copy
plan. Go basic, pro, or pro.
copy what they're doing. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to have that. So let me go ahead and share my screen, and we're going to get into this technique, and then I want to try what it is that she's doing. So I have it on mute so you can just see. Her name is Lara. Her channel is Lara Trader, Best Binary Options Trading Strategy. Okay, so I've watched probably all of her videos. Her, and there's also a lady named Katie Trader, Katie. And there's a lot of speculation as to if this is manipulated, if this is yada yada yada, whatever. So, it really doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, you either win the trade or you don't. So that's the thing that I like that's different about the binary options, is that you don't, yes, you need to do an analysis, but it's for a short term. So you really, a lot of times, dealing with one or two candlesticks, maybe up, or a lot of people may trade up to like 4 minutes. So, it's just a short term. So this to me is more like really, 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 really super scalping. Okay, super scalping. So what I want to do, I just want to kind of chime in. I'm going to take it off mute, and we're just going to look and
of course, don't
see her
forget to
techniques.
watch
Okay,
this video till the end, because it will be very useful for you. Don't forget about that, and also text me in Telegram and ask me questions if you want. First step you need to take, guys, put this button over there and choose envelopes trend indicator. Alright, default settings as always I want to use. If you want, you can change the colors of lines, but I usually trade with normal lines. Yes. Next one step. Let's choose one more indicator. It's going to be stochastic oscillator one. And for this strategy, it can be enough.
so a lot of the there are times when I have seen the other lady trade without any indicator at all, just straight technical analysis. And she's done it too. But they're getting more into, I guess, marketing the different indicators that pocket option, or in this case, Quotex has for trading. So it's a good way to, especially for beginners, to give you more of a visualization as to when it's oversold, overbought. And that's really the technique that I'm noticing that is really just done. It's oversold, overbought, and you make that, take that trade, either, continuing in that mode or coming out of oversold, overbought, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get back to the video.
And for today's market, I think this one is so good. Very well. And I think it's time to take one more. Let's choose. Yes, this one. And you can see for today's trading session, I have got just $3.
Now here's the thing, like she said, she has $3.73 if she's starting out with in her trading. So her first trade is putting it all in, and she's doubling all her profit from that point.
Because for this small, guys, we can see that it's a lower trend out there, as the guys show at this point too. So I will sell after when envelope trend indicator looks down. Trade with $3 now in 1 minute trade and corruption. I know.
Okay, hold on, before this even finishes. So let's look and analyze what's going on. So what we have, let me just kind of draw a little bit here. Okay. What we have is, number one, this is support. Okay. All right. That's clear. That's support. So once it got to that area, it broke through a little bit, but then it came back up. And so also down here, let me just draw a little bit too here, you'll see the stochastic oscillator is pointing down. And it possibly could be curving up. I don't know, it's a little bit, but because of the rejection that she's getting from this area right here, she decides to go ahead and take the trade and do a buy, okay? So a buy or a call is what you call it. It's a call. So let's go ahead and let's see what happens. Because see, I watched, let me tell you, I watched all of her videos and Katie Trader videos. These women are freaking amazing, okay? A lot of people, I hear people talking about, oh, this, that, and the other, this, and no, they just knowing how to trade. And it's short term. So when I looked at it the first time, I'm just checking them out. Look at it again, I'm still understanding. I look at it again, now I'm understanding. I'm calling the play, and then when I see, okay, yeah, she took the same trade, she's going in the same direction. So that lets me know that my understanding is getting a lot better in terms of just really being able to read and understand the candlestick. So that's what's going on. So now let's watch the trade. Okay, what's going on? I'm not able. I might have to turn this off, okay, and get back.
Great, guys. First profit for today's trading session. This is very good. So I want $6 in profit for this moment.
Okay, y'all, let me get this off of the screen. What is clear all bronze? Okay, and she won that trade, so she doubled her money. Do they recommend when it comes to being risky? No, but this is just the name of the game. If you want to get into this game, this is how you build your account up quickly. This is how you can pull daily money. But anyway, let's keep watching.
And let's continue. So the next step, I want to see the situation with second currency pair. Well done. And what a head right there. We can see, guys, again, it's a lower trend for today, but from this point on this green candle, we can see the graph start to return this direction. And I think current right here, it's a little support area. I will set trade on this point with $6, 1 minute trade, and let's go. Call option right now.
Okay, wait. So she's going with a call option. She's doing a buy. I'm going to just take a moment and just show you in my mind what's what. So up here, this is your resistance. And then for this particular area that she happens to be working in, this is an area of support, okay? You see that's that candle right there. It hit that area, and even like it's a range up in here that it's reacting to. So it gets to this point, that red candle hit this area of support and it bounced back up. Okay, hit the area of resistance, bounce back down. Now you have your area of support right here. So the RSI, the stochastic oscillator is pointing down. Okay, so it is her analysis that once it hit, because this candle, it still has 21 seconds left to complete, it's her analysis that it will go ahead and turn around and go up. So let's Let me clear all my drawings and let's see how this plays out. And here's another thing, guys. What I'm really learning, because remember, it's really a candlestick by candlestick situation. Whenever you're going in for a buy, as much as possible, you want to try to get down to the lowest low of that candle, especially when you're expecting a reversal, because if you have it as low as possible, then, you know, the candle doesn't have to go up as far, just as long as you've gotten it at the point of where it is lowest, anticipating it going up. I hope that makes sense. Oh my God, let's continue watching.
Great, guys, second one in a row. This is awesome result. So you can see, guys, that I was right with call option on this position because graph looks up for this moment. So, and let's continue. I will choose a third currency pair for my next trade. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, very good. And guys, again, Lara trend continue to stay here. But right now you can see that candle is not in the envelopes corridor, so I will accept trade with $10 for this moment. Okay, and put option.
Okay, so let me show you what my simple mind sees. Okay, so you have support. You have, I guess she's looking at down here is the resistance. And even if she's looking at down here, you know, either way, she is, but see, to me, I see like up in here as well. Like I would probably, I don't know, but I guess she called that like the middle layer of middle double. I don't know, but based on her analysis, she continued to the downside. And I'm looking at the stochastic oscillator and it's going sideways. So that would be kind of more of a riskier trade to me. I probably would not have taken that trade to the downside. But let's see what happens, okay? So she took it right here, okay, to continue down. Let's see what happens.
I know. Great, guys, in profit again. This amazing, so it can be nothing.
But if you will notice, that was like by a hair that she won that. That was very risky, but I'm assuming because of this wick right here, that it already came down to this level. That is the reason why she went with that, because it will retrace and, you know, go back into those areas where it had went, or, you know, already previously had been. Okay, let's get back to it.
But then put option, because guys, when you see this angle of envelopes indicator, it's usually continue graph to go up and down, because we see all the graph for today and 11 trend tell us that price will continue going down. So the situation with first currency pair. Okay, and what we have got there? Oh my God, this is a very interesting point. A little upper trend for today, and right now you can see it's a lot of red candle in a row, so absolutely it can be support level out there. And let's take,
hold on. It's starting to go down. The envelope indicator is curving, going down, okay? I don't know, I'm looking at the stochastic oscillator. It's going sideways. I don't know what kind of trade she's gonna take, but I'm gonna do what I normally would do, which is to identify my support and my resistance. So here was the high for that particular, that's my resistance level, and then my support level, right? I'm looking at here. I would have to go back to I can't see from where she is on the left, further left, but it also, this is where this candlestick left off at. So this is also another level, okay? All right, so based on that, I would have to look left again to see if other candlesticks, once they got to this level, they bounced up, they continued up. That would be my assumption. And but I also see this candle right here that wicked all the way down to here. And then, it's up. So I don't know, y'all. I can't say, especially with the stochastic going sideways. I don't know. So let me clear this. I'll be honest with you. I don't know what I would have did. I don't even know if I would have took this trade, but let's check it out and see.
trade with $15 here. Okay, and put option right now.
Is she gonna go down? And it's gotta be because of that wick. And it is a downtrend. So she's going with the trend.
Cool, guys. Very good position.
But you saw that it was very, very close. Very close. Very close. Very close. Where it was right up in here where she actually, it hit and she won the trade. But based on the analysis, I'm only assuming that she went with the down, number one, because the trend is a downtrend. Number two, because this wick went down further. So it's a possibility it will continue down, at least to that level. I don't know. I would have lost that one because I would have been thinking, okay, most times we're taught from a lot of the videos, even like when you're talking about like Bollinger and all this stuff, when it's outside the Bollinger, what are you looking for? Are you looking for it to get outside and then you go up, you go for a buy. And you see that's not the case. So that's why you have to know your technical analysis. You really have to pay attention, learn. I practice every day, not just demo. I'm losing money in my real account because it'll keep my attention. I'm going to master this. And that's what I tell myself. I give thanks. I'm a master trader. I give thanks. I can get on here and I can pull thousands of dollars out, and go and live my life and enjoy. I could be anywhere in the world and just be able to pull money. This is my affirmation I'm saying, So to me, it's important. It's very important to get to a place of understanding and having a higher probability of knowing which direction is going to go to win the trade. Okay, let's continue on.
Also trade on this one with put option because we can see that after this red candles and green, it's absolutely right decision to trade to the graph going down. And let's continue. So it's amazing result already. I'm with $30 in profit.
Because it didn't go no further than this level right here on the retracement. Today. So that was the pullback.
And this a great. And for next trade, I want to choose second currency pair.
Wait, so if you didn't catch that, it's coming down. She have all, the impulse candle, and then she gets this green candle was actually the pullback. That was the pullback, and then it continued on. So that's why she took that trade to the downside. It's a downtrend. And this was the pullback candle, and it continued to the downside, and it absolutely did. So it's just things like that that will help you, and just noticing that help you to improve the amount of trades it's win. Because you know, if you can do 10, 12 trades back to back like you're gonna see her do, you know, you can change your whole life. You can change your entire life.
Okay. And what you have there, you can see that probably over there graph start to change the direction.
Okay, so hold up. So it's starting to change direction. Okay, because I'm seeing it came down and now it's up. You know what I'm saying? And now this was your level of support. I'm sorry, I have to draw. This was your, okay, support. Now you have this right here, okay? And this is your resistance, okay? So you're here, okay? And of course you have this level here. I be looking at them levels, baby. So I would say with this one and the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator is pointing up, I would definitely do a call option or a buy and keep it going. So let's see what happens.
But I think it will continue going down to cross this green candle over there. So let's stay now with our $25. Okay, and call option right now.
Yeah, I will do that. All right.
Wow, guys, very good one.
Good girl.
I will $50
Go girl.
for this moment. It's a very good result.
We had $50. She started with $3, y'all. We had $50. We watching her do this.
I want to continue trade, guys, with third currency pair. And right here, guys, let's delete my first currency pair. Okay, because the price getting very low, it's not interesting to trade on it and choose one more. For example, let's take this one, first one. Okay. This is a very high percent of payout. And again, we can see that the market today has got more lower trend than upper trend. And it can be traded too. Not always with the upper trend. So guys, right here on stochastic oscillator, we can see that the both lines not very close to each other. So it's a good trade point here, and to trade with $50.
So with the lines on the stochastic oscillator, they're not close together, but they're both pointing down, is what she said. I'm going to do I'm sorry if y'all don't like this, you know, this is what we're doing on my channel with this video. Here's your level of support. Okay. And you got another level up in here, possibly, where it's kind of, let me erase that. So here, okay. It's coming down, it's facing down. I would go and do a put or a sell. That's what I would do. Let's see what she does, okay? I know it's at the oversold, but like she said, it's not close together. And what she means when it's close together, when it starts to cross each other and curve, that's when it's getting ready to reverse, but they're still far apart and still pointing down. So that's a great indicator, a big indicator that it will continue to the downside. But let's see what she does.
So, input option right now.
Please. I would have did that.
Great, guys.
Okay.
Again, profit. It's
$91.98, y'all, from $3. We haven't even, and she's gonna get to 4,000, and she's gonna show you. She did about 15 trades, and she did miss one. She'll show you that one, but I think even, you know, I would say when she lost, it was probably just to show you a loss. I don't know. I don't think it was because based on the way she trade, I think she knows what she's doing. But some people can't, they can't fathom that you can get so many trades in a row correct. So I think she put the little loss in there. You'll see, just to show you that she'll lose one here and there. But for the most part, what I'm saying is, y'all, yes, it's risky. Yes, you can lose, but damn it, you can win too. Take your time, learn. And you know, these are 1 minute candles. 1 minute candles. You know, it's not no all day process. You can get in and literally, you know, within a short time period, make money online. This is absolutely life changing. I know people can say, oh, well, this has been around for a while. This ain't nothing but a scam, blah, blah, blah. You can think whatever you want. I'm just looking for ways to make my life easier, where money can come to me and I can have access and pool money as I need to when I want to. Okay, let's keep watching the video.
absolutely a good way to make money online right now.
That's right, girl.
You just need to remember that you can text me in Telegram if you have any questions about binary options, if you want to join my private club. There I can give you the best signals. And let's continue for today. So let's choose first currency pair. And what we have got there, guys? So interesting moment right now that we can see the graph start to raise this and draw a very good support point there, and there. And for this moment, I'm set straight for $20 now. And let's go put option.
Okay, hold on. She's gonna do $20 on a put option. She's gonna go down. I'm trying to figure out why. Hold on, give me just a second. Because would I make this trade? Would I make this trade? So I'm looking at, okay, this was the high. You see it starting to curve down. So she said she saw a little resistance. So she may just be talking about just literally from this right here, just from this area right here. And I'm gonna just see, because if that's the case, let's, because she said a put option, she's gonna go down. So I'm trying to see why would I, okay, it's 26 seconds left. The candles just, I don't know. I can't say, because it's not really, let's just clear it and see what happens.
Right now.
Because the candle,
All right, guys, it's not in the profits right now. So this a good
just,
way
okay,
to
got you. Okay. So what happened, y'all? So it gave her back her money. She didn't win or lose, because like I said, I wouldn't have made that play. So that was her one loss. That was the one loss, okay? Just pay attention. That was that one loss. Okay.
It's not in the profit. So you know something this happens, and I think I will continue trade there. And again, let's put $45, for example, right now, and 1 minute trade, and put option right now. Well done, guys. So that's a good waypoint over there. I have got $123 in profit. Very good one. And I like this strategy very much with envelope, strength, indicator, and stochastic oscillator pair. So next, let's see station with first currency pair. I already added and it's a highest percent of payout. Very good one. So right now this candle, guys, isn't in the corridor of envelopes indicator, and I will decide after this long green candle trade with $120 in 1 minute.
Okay,
And
wait.
wait a little bit.
Hold on. Because she finna trade with $100, y'all. And I want to see if I can, because she haven't said what direction she's going in yet, okay? So I want to, based on what I see, analyze it a little better, okay? Do my little thing, but not really. I don't have to do all of that. So here's your high, okay? That's your high, and this level right here is actually your support. So with that being a level of support, is and here you saw it got to that level and went back up. It got to that level, it went back up. It's back at this level. Now I'm thinking she's going to put in a call option, which is going to be a buy. But I'm also showing it curved down, like it is on a downward trend. And what would I do? It would be a buy for me, because I'm thinking that once it hits this area, it's going to reverse and go back up, or maybe this is the time because it's the third touch that it's going to break through. I don't know. Let's see.
When I'm not doing the time right now, but I want to put option right now. Alright guys, it's a game, not in the profit, because in this time
very close, y'all, because where she started at and where it ended, it had to be by a hair. That was by a hair, because this is a point of resistance. This was a point of support, you know, and it broke through support and came down a little bit more, but sure enough, it reversed, it turned back around. So I would say, yeah, that was a risky one. That was a risky one. I probably would have waited on that candlestick to show me, you know, the play it was going to make, and then I would have went on and took the trade afterwards for the reversal. That's what I would have did. But let's continue on.
When I talk to you, when I need to put option, I'm just not in time, but that gives me a profit, so it's okay. Let's continue. I will back on this graph later.
See, that's the play I would have made, which would have just retraced that red candle.
Very good. And right now, guys, it's again a little uptrend. The price for today stay on the middle level, mean of both currency pair. So And for the station, I will decide to trade again $120. But for the
$120. This is the high. You see that whenever you see it wicked out like that, that tells you that is a clear sign of a reversal. The trend is changing. Okay. I would be looking for the stochastic oscillator to be coming around, curving down, heading back down. And then you see this red candle right here, 44 seconds into the trade. Still trying to figure out what it wants to do, but this is definitely high. I would have got at the highest point and did a sale, but let's see what she does.
this moment, please change for 2 minutes. Time and put option right now.
Okay, very good. So she did it for 2 minutes because you have this candle right here that's still trying to figure out what it wants to do. So just in case it does come back at 2 minutes, it does make sense in a situation like this, just to assure that you're not too early into the trade and getting time to kind of work itself out. So let's watch the trade.
Great, guys, very good trade. It was absolutely the right decision because, as you can see on this point, the case just crossed that overbought condition and then it's going down to take a love trend. So I think I will work on this graph where the candles will be cut there and will call option on this point. So let's check again first currency pair. And kind of a not simple situation. We can see that the stochastic not stay, it's always change price. So for this point, let's trade with $200 in 1 minute. And let's go call option right now. Wow, guys.
I'm not gonna even play with y'all. I probably, when I saw that wick and then, okay, once I saw the reversal, yeah. That red candle wicks on both sides definitely is a clear indicator of a reversal. So if I saw that, I would have said, okay, yeah, it's gonna continue to the upside. You know, I would have did that then, yeah. So I would have did that. So yeah, good job.
Crazy result out there. You can see this candle is very fast going down and then it's straight go to the moon. Crazy thing, but it's profit. This amazing. I want to guys because you remember, go back to my second currency pair and I will back on this graph, of course, because this is a very good station. When you can see the down trend, like here, you can see that from this point to this one, it was 25 minutes when the graph going down. And right now we are on the point when the graph can go back to this strong position. I think to this slide and we will find a new call option on these trades. So for next one, let's choose, as I said, second currency pair. And again, guys, you can see it's a good entry point. Can be trade with $350. Okay, and put option.
Okay, let's mute this for the commercial. Okay, get back.
Right now. Great, guys, very good one result. I'm shocked. I'm in $633 in the profit. And I like these two currency pair, second and third one. And I will make a couple more trades with them. So
I'm gonna kind of just fast forward a little bit more, you guys.
after this across.
She's at 1,000.
So let's continue to trade and choose first currency pair now. Okay. So we can see the price getting up a little over here. Oh my god, there's a kind of flat zone over here, but I think it's time because the candlestick looks up. Trade with $1,000 over here, for example, and let's go to call option right now. Very good profits right now. My friends, I have got crazy results today on the market. So you can see it can be traded with the lower trend situations. And this is why I put option. So use this strategy if you're beginners, if you're professional traders too. Don't forget about my advice and always ask me in Telegram any questions. And right now, guys, I want to make one more trade with $2,000, and let's do that with first currency pair. And right here, let's wait a little. Then this green candle maybe going down. The needle right here. Be ready to trade with 2 minutes. And then now call option with $2,000. Let's go. Wow, guys. Oh my God. This is
Okay. $4,055.13. Absolutely amazing, girl. I give you your good job. Very good job. So we're going to take on a challenge to where we are going to do the same thing. Just so you know, taking on the challenge, Trade Cartel, we're gonna really, really rock with. I'm gonna do it with pocket options and just do what she's doing. So for now, guys, I have another meeting I'm getting ready to go to, and I enjoyed just reacting to her video. Let me see, let me get my disclosures out the way. This is for education purposes. We only reacted to the video because of the education that's being provided when it comes to trading the binary options web platform. And we will now take it upon ourselves to do a challenge and see if we can do the same thing. So more videos to come. Thank you guys for stopping in to Trade Cartel. This is Tanya Rochelle. You have a good one and bye-bye.